Welcome back to my channel. My name is Blair if you're new here, and today we're going to do a productive vlog. I have a to-do list of things I need to get done, which I will insert here on the screen for you to see, and we'll check things off as we go. It's not a ton of stuff, but it is things I need to get done today while I'm off work. And I just thought I'd take you along and show you what we're doing. I know some of these things seem like I've done them before, and that's because it's kind of the routine on Fridays. So I guess you could also kind of call this my Friday routine. But let's start with changing the sheets on the bed because I hate leaving the bed unmade when I get up in the morning. So we'll do that and start washing those.
Sometimes I'm not sure what to say. Most times I get lost in my way. But you show me the truth and your light. All I've got to do is walk right into thrive. And when I realize I was playing, living by my own rules, I need you to survive. More than anything, you're all I've ever needed. It's you, over and over. It's you, over and over. It's you, over and over. I'll keep running back.
All right, now we wait until the rest of the stuff has been washed because I need my second pillowcases as well as my blanket I put in between the comforter and the sheet. But I think we're just gonna hold out until it's time to run and get groceries, and then we'll do more when we get back.
I'll keep running back to you. Found it in your love. How could I ever escape from you? You have captured my heart and wrapped me in your arms and set me free by your word. I know that I couldn't ever run, even though the storms may come, even through the fire and the rain. Right here in you I trust. It's you, over and over. It's you, over and over. It's you, over and over. I'll keep running back. Oh, I'll keep running back to you.
Okay, so the groceries have been acquired. I've got pretty much most everything put away. I just need to run out the trash and take my reusable bags back to the car. That took a little longer than I was expecting because they delayed my order and I pretty much didn't get it till the tail end of my time slot. So it's already getting warm out, so I do want to get the outside stuff done. I think the plan will be to do the grill, the hedging, and then I can come in and start my breakfast meal prep, maybe do my workout. I might skip my workout today, to be honest. With all the headaches I've had in the last couple days, I don't know if it's worth it to even attempt it today. And I've been doing really good, so I don't think it'll kill me to take one day off. But yeah, so, oh, and I need to take care of the sheets because those shut off while we were gone. So I think I'm gonna finish the sheets and getting my bed put back together, and then we'll go outside and do everything out there, move my car and all that.
I need you to survive.
I had a dream last night, it was different. It was you and I in faded television. I'm not in love with you, but if I was, here's what I'd do.
The bed is made. So I'm gonna go fold the rest of the sheets. I'm not gonna film that, and then we'll head outside and take care of the outdoor stuff.
Here's what I'd do. If I was in love with you, torn up sheets, all the feathers. There's a picket fence somewhere, nothing better. A dose of Chanel perfume and coffee in the afternoon. You way ahead of the side, flip it in the mirror until you get it right. My pillow's in the shape of you. I'm kind of afraid to move. Will you ever know what I went through? Will you wake up in my bed in the afternoon? And I hope that day I still remember it too. Subliminal love, 432. I had a dream last night, it was different. It was you and I in faded television. I'm not in love with you, but if I was, here's what I'd do. Here's what I'd do. If I was in love with you, got that inside tunnel vision. I'd take you to Hawaii and be a musician. I'd know when to leave you alone, right till your left stereo. Will you ever know what I went through? Will you wake up in my bed in the afternoon? And I hope that day I still remember it too. Subliminal love, 432. I had a dream last night, it was different. It was you and I in faded television. I'm not in love with you, but if I was, here's what I'd do. Here's what I'd do. If I was in love with you.
Alright, so the bush is done. I picked up most of the branches that were big enough in the yard that needed to be cleaned up. So I'm going to take a quick break, and then we're going to go in and start prepping the breakfast sandwiches, because obviously the eggs have to cook and they need to cool before I can really assemble anything. So I figure I'll do that, take a break.
This is our little secret, 9-hour cry. Subliminal feelings, I'm scared I'll say too much. And I'm only dreaming, I don't wanna wake up. Subliminal feelings, I'm in love. I had a dream last night, it was different. It was you and I in faded television. I'm not in love with you, but if I was, here's what I'd do. Oh, here's what I'd do. If I was in love with you.
So I took a break, trying to wait for the eggs to cool off, which they have not. So I can't assemble those, and I kind of want to wait to shower until I'm done with that. So I think we're going to go ahead and vacuum the rugs, which really is just the, excuse me, the living room rug and my bedroom rug. Because I cleaned house yesterday, but I was just not feeling the big vacuum yesterday. So let's go ahead and get that done. And then that should be, after that, I can hopefully get the breakfast sandwiches done, and then I can take my shower. But let me go ahead and vacuum in this room.
Here's what I do. If I was in love with you. Nothing like your smile in the morning, following the linings on your cheeks. 'Cause baby, in your absence life is boring, so I'll never leave. It's easier to love when it's you by my side, shining through the cracks like the first morning light, feeling like a child through the days and the nights, living in your arms as years go by. It's easier to love, easier love from miles away. And the light in your eyes tells me stories of life in a more perfect place where I wanna stay. It's easier to love when it's you by my side, shining through the cracks like the first morning light, feeling like a child through the days and the nights, living in your arms as years go by. It's easier to love, oh, oh, easier to love, oh, oh.
All right, so the breakfast sandwiches are all done. I am actually gonna go take a shower and then I'll close this off once I'm clean.
If the sky is falling down on me, you'll be the one that's by my side to lift away from me. And if I find myself in reckless days, you'll be the one to pull me back into reality. Nothing like your smile in the morning.
Okay, so I'm freshly showered. I got my cold coffee. It's about 1 o'clock and I've basically ticked everything off my to-do list except for working out, which I may still do if I get some energy later, but for right now I'll probably say I'm still gonna skip it. My back's kind of sore from lifting the grill, which I probably shouldn't have done. But yeah, I think I'm just gonna take it easy. I'm gonna edit this video for you. I hope it maybe inspired you to be productive or to get something done. But like I said, for me, it just works. I get up early in the morning, I knock out everything. So usually by noon, 1 o'clock, I have nothing else for the rest of the day. So I can just kind of relax and enjoy. Gotta have a balance of being productive and relaxing. I think that's really important. But as always, I hope everybody enjoyed and I hope you have a blessed day.
Following the linings on your cheeks,